Sushant's father filed a case against Rhea Chakravarti. Hello there, welcome to Folk Buzz. The loss of Sushant Singh Rajput has been a mystery so far. The Mumbai police, who is researching this case, has stated this tragic incident is due to suicide. At the same time, various facts prove this case to be a foul play. Many suspicions are taking over Twitter and are spread all over the internet. In contrast, Bollywood biggies like Salman Khan, Karan Johar, Sajid Nadiadwala and many other names are coming forward. They are said to be responsible for the loss of great actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Recently, a piece of shocking news has come forward. KK Singh, who is the father of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, has filed a case against the rumored girlfriend of his son, Rhea Chakravarti. He registered the case along with her family member in Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna, Bihar. According to Sushant's 70-year-old father, he will not be able to go to Mumbai to fight the case due to his health condition. The first information report or FIR is filed with many allegations. Krishna Kumar Singh has made a serious charge against Rhea and her family. He has alleged that she had kept Sushant away from his family and entirely in her possession. She was also handling his bank account. Reports suggest that millions of rupees were withdrawn from his bank account. Sushant's father also accused Rhea when he found Sushant's bank balance was going down on 8th of June, 24 days after his demise. She left with cash, jewelry, laptops, credit cards, PIN and passport, and relevant document and doctor's receipt. According to him, Rhea threatened him due to the medical reports she has kept and would make it public if he denied to obey her. KK Singh has accused Chakravarti of having befriended Rajput in May 2019 with a clear intent to use his useful contacts to advance her career. He also alleged that the actress was aided by her family members, including her parents. Since they all were looking to steal the assets of my son, worth crores of rupees, they started interfering in all aspects of his life. KK Singh also wants a police investigation to ascertain where the rupees 15 crore deposited in a bank account held by Rajput was transferred. The complaint also said Chakravarti and her family convinced Rajput to leave his residence and stay at a resort in Mumbai's vicinity, claiming his house was haunted. KK Singh also conveyed that Rhea Chakravarti took Sushant to convening doctors for his mental checkup without letting Sushant's family know about it. With hopeless heart and tearful eyes, Sushant's father even said in the complaint that at one point in time, my son decided to give up films, settle down in Coorg and pursue farming. He was blackmailed by Chakravarti. She threatened him that she would make his medical history public and let the world know about he was mentally unstable. This could put his career in jeopardy. According to Sushant's father, Sushant called his sister and told her that Rhea had threatened him to show doctor receipt to the media and would prove him mad. Thereafter, no person would give him work. After all, this is even more shocking to know about Rhea Chakravarti with all these shameless allegations. Earlier, there was a massive rumor about Rhea and Mahesh Bhatt's unwanted and secret relationship. We hope this complaint would bring the facts out about late Sushant Singh Rajput. We request every viewer pressurize police and government to take good care of this case without being bribed by the Bollywood biggies. And Rhea might be fully supported by the Bollywood mafias. We urge you to stand for Sushant's justice, whatsoever be the condition. Will you be the hope for Sushant's father? What's your thought about this FIR filed by Sushant's father? Please write to us in the comment section down below. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. We will see you in the next video.